Jai Dwarkadish, Jai Jagannath, Jai Shri Ram. I'm resuming singing Dasarapadas after a very long time due to some challenges back at home. So today I'm singing a song which was not taught to me by my mother, my guru, but it was taught to me by my very dear grandmother. And she used to sing this every Ekadashi. When we observe fast, she will sing this song. This song is compared with germination of a seed, how a seed germinates, becomes a plant, then a tree, bears fruit, and we get the fruit. We taste the fruit. We savor them. It is compared with this, how Harinama grew on earth. That is the whole concept of the song. Let me explain as I progress. The raga is very simple. It is a homely tune. Harinarayana, 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 enu manave. Narayana nimbo namada bijava, narada bittida dharayolage. So who is the farmer? Farmer is Narada. He is ploughing the field to lay the seeds. Narada bittida dharayolage, Harinarayana, 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 enu manave. ತರುಳ ಧ್ರುವನಿಂದ ಅಂಕುರಿಸಿತು ಅದು ವರ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನಿಂದ ಮೊಳಿಕೆಯಾಯಿತು. ತರುಳ ಧ್ರುವನಿಂದ ಅಂಕುರಿಸಿತು ಅದು ವರ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನಿಂದ ಮೊಳಿಕೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಧರಣೀಶ ರುಕ್ಮಾಂಗದನಿಂದ ಚಿಗುರಿತು, ಕುರುಪಿತ ಮಹನಿಂದ ಹೂವಾಯಿತು. ಧರಣೀಶ ರುಕ್ಮಾಂಗದನಿಂದ ಚಿಗುರಿತು, ಕುರುಪಿತ ಮಹನಿಂದ ಹೂವಾಯಿತು. In this paragraph they say, Tarula Dhruva, that means tiny boy Dhruva, it germinated because of him. The bhakti moment about Sriman Narayana just sprouted. The first sprout, when we soak the grain, no, that sprout came because of Dhruva. Vara Prahladaninda Molikayitu. It became a bigger sprout because of Prahlada. Dharanisha Rukmangada. Rukmangada is a king. Later, one another day, I will tell a story because it's very long. Rukmangada, because of him, it became a sapling. And Kurupita Mahaninda Huvaitu means the grandfather of Kauravas, Bhishmacharya, was the reason for blooming of this Harinama. The bhakti of Harinama bloomed because of Bhishma. Hasn't he given us Vishnu Sahasranama? He is supposed to be one of the biggest bhaktas of Vishnu Bhakta, right? So next paragraph. ವಿಜಯನ ಸತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಯಾಯಿತು ಅದು, ಗಜೇಂದ್ರನಿಂದ ದೋರೆ ಹಣ್ಣಾಯಿತು. ವಿಜಯನ ಸತಿಯಿಂದ, ವಿಜಯನ ಸತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಜಯ ಅರ್ಜುನ, ಅರ್ಜುನಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ. ವಿಜಯನ ಸತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಯಾಯಿತು, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಅ ರಾ ಫ್ರೂಟ್. ಗಜೇಂದ್ರನಿಂದ ದೋರೆ ಹಣ್ಣಾಯಿತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ because of Gajendra, it became little bit ripe. It is neither very ripe nor it is kai. It's not raw. It is in between. Arave kada they say, no, like that. Shri Shukhamuniinda ಫಲಪಕ್ವವಾಯಿತು, ಅಜಮಿಳ ತಾನುಂಡು ರಸ ಸವಿದ. Because of Shukhamuni, they say, no, Narayana name, it is tasted by a parrot. Who is that? Shukacharya. Shukhamuni is the one who made it right, because we know he ran the Bhagavata Saptaha. He is the one who said Bhagavata in 7 days to help the Kaurava prince, the Pandava Santati, right, and help them. ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲವಿವ ನಾಮ ಒಂದಿರಲಾಗಿ ಹೋಮ ನೇಮ ಜಪ ತಪವ್ಯಾಕಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ ನೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ನೀನೆ ಮನವೇ. ಕಾಮಿತ ಫಲವಿವ ನಾಮ ಒಂದಿರಲಾಗಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ it can provide. Such a name, it is there. All you have to do is chant Narayana avladha. But we don't find time for it. My grandmother used to say one person had time to wash 10 buffaloes, but he didn't have the time to give water to Tulsi Vrindavana. That's how our life is. But then this one nama is enough. You need not do japa, homa, tapa, nothing. Please you remember this name, our Purandaradasa has said. So that is the essence of the song. Let me complete it. Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana enu manave. Narayana nimba namada bijava ನಾರದ ಬೀತ್ತಿದ ಧರೆಯೊಳಗೆ. ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಎನು ಮನವೇ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.